I wanted to indulge my palate with my favorite thing, that it's plantain. So I'm gonna give you a recipe. This recipe is for my lunch, so it's high in calories. If you work out or if you need some energy, this is really good for you. Let's see the ingredients. I have the plantain. I already put it in the oven and using half of plantain. So this is already cooked. I put it over here. And the second ingredient is gonna be the boiled chicken. I shredded and it have here on my plate, ready to be cooked again or to blend with the plantain. And then 2 slices of cheese. If you want low-fat cheese, so use mozzarella. And I recently found in the groceries this ghee butter that is fantastic because it has turmeric. As you know, turmeric boosts your immune system, so I think it's a good idea. And a little bit of sea salt or Himalayan salt, up to you. So now let's do the first thing, that is to blend all the ingredients. For 5 minutes because it's already pre-cooked. Ta-da! And this is ready. I actually put it 5 minutes in the oven and the last minute I put it in broil. If you want to get a color a little bit more golden, just leave like 2 extra minutes, but keep an eye on that, on broil. So anyway, you will have something like this, something delicious, sweet, and with a lot of flavor. Enjoy and subscribe to Klann to see the next recipes.